Hello, friends and dear parents. I am Dr. Beena Johnson, developmental pediatrician and senior consultant in child guidance. The digital technological revolution is evolving at an overwhelming pace in this 21st century. In the current digital world, the advances in technology is affecting the everyday life of children tremendously. The digital lifestyle can influence the physical health, academic performance, and emotional well being of students. Hence, digital wellness is very important for students to become successful in exams and in future life. Digital wellness incorporates an individual's well being with regard to information technology, and it signifies how safely that individual uses digital technology. Digital wellness involves the measures aimed at regulating the scientific use of technology in order to maintain good physical and emotional health in this digital world. Remember to subscribe this channel, press the bell icon to get all the updates from the channel Best Child Development and Parenting. High levels of screen time is associated with several adverse health outcomes. Many students exceed the screen time recommendations in daily life. Inadequate physical activity along with increased amount of sedentary screen time lead to obesity in school-age children and adolescents. Increased screen time can also cause cardiometabolic abnormalities in children. Increased use of electronic media is also a risk factor for emotional problems among students. It can lead to sleep difficulties. Smartphone addiction of students is also increasing in the 21st century. Extended use of electronic devices can contribute to physical problems such as headache, neck, shoulder and back pain, as well as eye strain among students. Excessive screen time is also associated with scholastic backwardness. Hence, digital wellness is very important for students. Preventing problematic use of internet, promoting healthy lifestyle behaviors, and preventing online addictions are important elements of digital wellness. Digital citizenship refers to the effective use of technology. Good digital citizens use information technology and the internet regularly in proper way and will not misuse them to disadvantage others. They also know how to stay safe online. We should empower the students to become good digital citizens. We can improve the digital wellness of children through scientific guidance. Children should be given adequate scientific information regarding the consequences of increased screen time. Digital wellness includes making correct decisions in many areas of digital life. Students should be provided the correct information to be ethical during online activities. Thus, we can make our children well-behaved and technology-savvy students. Thank you all. Kindly subscribe this channel for future updates on best child development and parenting.